Hello everybody and welcome into Emily's Upcycled Home. Today is 7 of our fall thrift flip challenge, but on today's video I thought we just recapped everything we have done for the week, show you guys what the completed project looked like, and if you guys like any of those projects, please go back and watch those videos. So I hope you guys come back and become part of my YouTube family. But here we go, you guys. Let's go ahead and recap those finished projects. So on day one, we kept a little bit of that wood and wicker element here with our beautiful pumpkins that we upcycled just by simply adding some foliage and bows to this, as well as upcycling some little hanging bowls with that natural wood tone and those crisp white pumpkins, along with our favorite fall foliage, as well as upcycling a cute piece of a cloche here and adding a little bit more of a beautiful element to it. And for project number 2, we went more cottage, more fall yellow tones and brown tones, pulling in a cottage vibe, giving you that warmth and that layered look, bringing you a little simple process of upcycling with a beautiful wood tone rolling pin by simply adding a bow. And not every sign needs to be a sign. We turn this one into a beautiful riser. Simple and sweet projects here. For day number 3, it was all about pumpkins. We turned some random items in my stash into pumpkins. This was like a candle holder here. I found some wood blocks as well in my stash. We made some very rustic pumpkins here with a little bit of lace to bring in that fancy look here. And we married 2 baskets together, add some wood beads, and made a boho vibe pumpkin as well. For day 4, I went with some more scrap pieces of wood, making a decoupage print here with some more beads, some more of that fall foliage. You'll see that throughout our days here. We turned a simple frame into a frame pocket using some IOD transfers and a vintage doily, and turned a spindle into a beautiful wreath stand, getting our leftover foliage and making a wreath as well. Day number 5 was all about that rustic bird charm here, marrying pieces here, a bowl and just a base of a candle holder, keeping that rustic theme and all the wood tones, finding some cute little blocks and layering up some bird molds from IOD, as well as layering up some paint. And then this beautiful vintage print found a new home in this new frame that we aged up with some DIY dark wax, as well as playing around with some more molds and taking a scrap piece of wood and creating our little sign. Then we moved on to day 6, which was our last thrift flip day. Actually, we turned some salvage pieces of wood into a beautiful little stand using IOD products here, as well as turning into a cute simple candle stand into a little pumpkin topiary with an IOD bird on top. And a simple basket got an updo with a cottage vibe in green paint and giving it a beautiful centerpiece look. Which thrift flip day was your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. And if you had a favorite project that I did on this week, let me know that as well. And if you have a style you love and inspires you, let me know that one as well. Come find me on Facebook, share your inspiration pics and your pictures that you created from this week's challenge. And don't forget, you can shop with me over on Whatnot as well as on Facebook Marketplace. And if you want to use any of those IOD products, any of the Fusion or Dixie Belle products I will use on my channel, check out that affiliate link down in the comments. So you guys, we have reached the end of our video. So this is the end of our fall thrift flip challenge. Say goodbye to fall here on YouTube. We're going to be moving on to regular projects as well as into Christmas. So I hope you guys join me again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. And I'll see you at the next one, friends. Bye, everybody.